Welcome to the product demonstration of fabrication of water cooler air conditioner. In this product we are using Arduino UNO LCD display and a pot, and also using a relay, 3 amp transformer, step down 3 amp transformer, and also using KBL10 with the two capacitors, and also using a DSC11 sensor in this container. So here we can see the DSC11 container. So it will calculate the humidity and temperature values, and also we are using a CPU fan for the air, and also we can see we are using a 12 volts water pump. So the main aim of this product is to cool the container using the water technology. So now we are providing the power supply using this power cable. Takes 230 volts of power supply. That 230 volts of power supply will be given to this step down transformer. Then step down transformer take the 230 volts power supply and will step down up to 3 amp 12 volts. That 3 amp 12 volts will be given to this KBL10. That KBL10 will convert AC to DC. The converter DC up to 12 volts with 3 amp. So we are adding the capacitor to filter the DC. So it will give a pure DC. That pure DC will be utilized by this system. So we are providing the 12 volts power supply to the DC motor and DC water pump and DC motor in this container, and also we are providing 12 volts for this Arduino UNO also. So one doubt will be raised in our mind that Arduino UNO will microcontroller takes only 5 volts, but we are giving 12 volts. So here we can see we are giving the 12 volts power supply direct to this one. So here we can see the regulator. It takes a 12 volts and it will be stepped down up to 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be utilized by this microcontroller. At the same time, the 5 volts will be utilized by this LCD display. Now I am giving the power supply. So we can see in the display here, it is showing the temperature and the humidity values. So the room temperature is 32 centigrade, and here we can see the set temperature, and we can on and off the DC motor using this switch. Now I have on this switch and CPU fan is running here, so we can observe the sound. So here we can see the temperature value of the room temperature is 33. So here we can see the pot. So pot is used to set the temperature. Now I am increasing the temperature and now I am decreasing the temperature. So for decreasing we have to control move in a clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction it will be increased. So clockwise direction it will be decreased. So we need to set the timer less than the room temperature. Now I am setting the temperature value as 32. Then only this motor will be on and the water will be going to this copper coil. So the water will be flowing through this copper pipe. Then the CPU fan will be take the cooling system of this copper coil. Then the room temperature will be cool. And now we are setting here as 32. Now I have set it as a temperature value is 32. Now we can see the water is flowing through this one, and we can see motor is also in on position. And also we can see water is flowing through this one. So it is taking water from this container, and also that water will be flowing to this container. And we can see whenever the temperature room temperature is equal to the set temperature, then automatically this motor will be get switched off. So we can see relay get switched on. So whenever the room temperature is equals to 32, then motor will be get switched off automatically. So it will take some time to cool the container. So now we can see 32 is temperature and the set temperature is 32 also. Then automatically the system got switched off. So in this way system will be works. Now I am putting 31 temperature. So we can see, so the temperature is 31 and the temperature is also 31. So that's why this motor got switched off automatically. And also we can see the the water also cool. So in this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.